they're calling it out. I'm just gonna say that, but like, there's no other way they could have found me. And I was just looking for. I don't think it was anyone. It could have been. I think it was like that Reaper Lord dude. Because like, I don't think the Grandmaster's Diamond would have done it. Like, that's just me assuming.
I'm just closing my chippies. What?
There it is. What a crunch.
It wasn't in my mouth. It was the chip bag. Don't want them to get stale.
Okay. Sombra comps again?
Yeah, I'm keen.
Yeah. No.
Ryan as well, maybe? Ryan Diva? I'm thinking. What are you guys thinking?
As long as I'm like useful. Like, are people going to be behind me, or like, because Diva and Sombra are going to be flanking all over the place?
Farm,
Yeah.
EMP, and Blade. Now
Yeah,
go dive.
there'll be no
Combo
one.
them.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. So if you Ryan, I was gonna go Junkrat, but if you dive, I'll go Genji.
Cool. Actually, I like that better. Because Junkrat's not really that good on first point. Or,
Yeah, because they're all upstairs or something.
yeah, uphill.
What do you want to do, Quirky? Alright. I'll go Moira.
Go Mercy so you can play with the tanks.
Pardon?
I was thinking. Oh, yep, you know, go.
I was gonna say we could go classic dive with Lucio Zen.
Oh, okay.
There's not much healing, but we just have to kill them fast.
Okay. Which
Yeah,
one
I
of
like
those
that.
do you prefer?
Lucio over Zen.
Okay.
I'm good Zen, but you're probably better.
I appreciate that.
Make sure you call them discords, because I'll
Yeah.
jump on whoever goes.
Yeah.
Alright.
Yeah. We just gotta all be on the same page and just delete someone.
Alright, tell me when I'm zooming.
Alright, they're holding
Okay, go
follow.
Ryan.
They have a- Yeah.
Go yeah, are we going in?
Go
Oh my
right,
god, people have gone left and then people have gone right.
Yeah, where are we going? Where are we going?
Go in high ground and then we can have a look.
I've used it on heals, so...
They have a
Alright,
pharmacy
wait,
there, that's
so-
fucking us up.
Go
Oh
pharmacy.
no, we've lost people. That was a little
Widow's
bit...
on the
I just
boxes
got
on the left,
3
yeah.
rockets.
Now we're just in here.
They get a
Trapped.
Widow and a Pharah.
Yeah.
Are you gonna be able to come back on your own, Winston?
Yeah.
Guys, we need to stop the comp up. They got a Widow Pharah.
Oh, hang on. I'll bring you through.
Yeah, but so
We'll
come
see-
around
we'll
where
see
we
how
are,
it goes.
and then we can go down these stairs here,
Dive Ana.
Alright.
and then dive from where.
Where are we diving from?
Yeah, from down here,
From down
Yeah.
here. Okay.
go around,
Yeah,
and go all the way around,
find
Ready?
Ana.
and then dive the back.
Set. Alright, and go.
Okay, alright, where's Ana?
Hacking Ryan?
Zaya's. Oh,
Ana,
no.
Ana, Ana.
Oh, I just got.
Here's on point, here's on point.
Kill him! He's one!
Zari one.
Oh, I'm dead.
Was
Me
one.
too.
Damn it. Yeah,
Alright,
instead of
so-
jumping on the tanks, jump further into the Ana.
Yeah, I could not see Diana in all to Discord her,
I'm in
so
trouble.
I was like, I don't know where that is.
I got found, but I got out somehow. I don't know how I got out.
Oh, Widow one-shotted me. I don't...
When
That's
this,
just
gonna make me
unfortunate.
salty.
they're playing really deep and really. I can take out the Widow. But I'll
Yeah.
probably get.
I feel like going around was still worked though. That we got a few and we got in.
I've got sights on Widow, but the Pharah, we need to deal with the Pharah because I can't do both Pharah and Widow.
Let's kill the Farah. I mean, let's kill the Widow really fast with the Ana.
Alright,
Let's go.
I'll...
The Farah can't do anything.
Nah, she got me
Oh,
again.
God.
This isn't gonna work.
Oh
I'm
my
gonna have to take her
God.
out.
Okay.
Alright.
Okay. This is Ryan territory. This isn't. We can't
Yeah,
dive.
okay.
Yep.
Yeah, we
Okay,
can't
let's
get
go.
both. And
Sorry, I'm changing. Stay Lucio.
I'll go Moira.
Okay.
You stay Lucio. Are you
Yeah.
happy with that?
Yeah, I'm good with that. I just...
Okay, let's go.
Alright,
Pop me
Diva,
up, pop me
Defense
up, pop me up.
Matrix, the
Ah, Jesus.
supports. Unfortunate.
Honors one.
Can't really do anything about that.
Oh. Use it. Which way are we going?
We're going
in,
straight
straight in.
left side.
I'm flanking right.
Oh, no, this
Nope.
isn't working.
We don't have Lucio.
No.
Well, we got 2 ults out of him.
Yeah, we did.
Cool.
3 ults out of them. Come on, what else are you gonna do? I'm on the point. Pew 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 pew.
Oh no, we'll come back.
Yeah, no. I was just.
Their widow's down.
EMP
Oh,
blade.
shit.
No.
Oh no, their widow's up.
Imply blade?
Already.
Yes,
EMP
MP blade. Sounds great.
Okay.
I've also
If you
got
could catch
sound
the
barrier.
Pharah in that EMP as well. That'd be nice.
Alright,
Alright.
got 30 seconds.
Alright,
Let's
last
go,
push.
Let's go. Straight up, straight up,
Are we
straight
all
up.
together?
I'm just coming here. We're good.
Alright, alright, let's go.
Shield 600, shield 500. Keep moving, keep moving.
I'm gonna EMP in a sec.
Oh, I've
Salty, you
I've
gotta get
slept,
that. You
I've
gotta get that
slept,
widow.
I've slept.
I got the widow. I got the widow.
EMP.
Let's go. That's behind. Hello. Oh,
Pharmacy,
she's so low.
pharmacy, get
Right,
mercy,
right,
get
right,
mercy.
right, look, right, look.
He's side.
He's dead.
Charge fell.
Mercy,
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 mercy, mercy, mercy,
Mercy one.
mercy's one.
Fell hacked.
Yep, we got it, we got it.
Yeah.
Nice EMP. Oh,
We used all of the ults. No, we didn't. Didn't have bomb. We've almost got shatter back. What did they use?
I don't think they got to use anything.
Barrage. They used barrage.
Yeah, Ana has nano up.
Mercy
I
will
think we
probably
need
have
to-
Valk again.
Kyle, are you comfortable with hit scan? I feel like hit scan might be an order soon.
On his skin, like soldier or something.
Soldier McCree. Well, just something to do with the Farah
Oh,
because
which
she's
they've got Tracer
farming
now.
ults at the moment.
Did they have her
Okay.
before?
No, they
No,
don't.
no,
They can
contest.
DPS with you right now.
That's instead of the widow.
We've got to pressure this pharmacy.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Oh,
okay.
Trace is hacked. They're all
The
at that
sniper.
side.
I'm on the cart, I'm pushing the cart.
Yeah, I got it.
They don't have a sniper anymore.
Yeah.
Oh, wait,
Lizzie,
you're saying to do that.
come in.
Tracer's recall. Tracer no recall.
Oh no.
I'm live, I'm like.
Red, red, red!
They used nano there and they really didn't need
Red.
to.
Bar a
Yeah,
half, bar a half.
absolutely.
Back up, back up, back up, back up.
Sorry, someone
We got,
walked
we
my
got
way.
Shadow Bomb. Almost got
MP.
barrier. This
EMP,
is good,
EMP
this is
bomb.
good.
I'm coming.
Alright, she's going over the top. She might have barrage here.
I'm gonna try and Farah
Ah, no,
or
she's going-
line.
Alright, going back in. Move up, move up, move up,
Alright,
move
so
up.
Shine
the
it
one's
again.
backing up.
Oh,
Nice
yes, I
son.
picked it out of it.
Amazing.
Run, 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 run.
Mercy. Sorry.
Sorry, yeah. There's
Watch
Yeah,
the
no.
Ana.
barrage, watch the barrage.
Oh, watch Tracer. She's been booped into you guys.
Yeah,
Tracer's gone round back.
yeah, I've got my eyes on it. I've got eyes on the
Big
flame.
fire on our sides.
Oh, watch out.
Yeah, where's Farah?
She was towards this one.
She's just over
They're
the
all
wall. Watch her
regrouping.
drop down. Watch her
Mercy's-
drop down.
Yeah. So
Here
let's
she
use
comes,
that.
here she comes.
Yeah, she's on the right. I'm back.
Trace has bomb.
She's in the sky.
Oh, watch out. Oh, that was
I can't.
unfortunate.
Mm-hmm.
I can touch if everyone gets back quick.
Oh shit. Go, Russ.
I can touch. Just die, Russ.
We're not
I
gonna
won't be
make it
able to
back.
contest for long, but and I've also got EMP.
Touch and in.
Go straight over the top, go straight over the top. I've got shatter. Keep moving,
Yeah.
keep moving.
I'm
I've got
stuck.
dead eyes on.
Never mind.
I'm going.
Heal me.
Alright, last second.
I can't.
Last second. Oh shit.
Oh, I'm dead. Let's go, guys. Nice, Quirky.
Beautiful kill.
Tracer's low.
Incredible.
Oh, the shadow.
I didn't get shattered.
Not me, please, please, not me.
I'm trying to. I'm just spraying you all again.
Not the mercy.
Uh-oh.
Why did it have to be the mercy?
Winnable.
Not winnable. Oh, maybe winnable.
Yeah, we got Ryan.
No, they have, but they have spawn advantage.
Yeah, true.
Just keep doing your best. Okay, nice try.
That was our best.
That was a good push.
Yeah.
Score 1-0. Switching sides.
It's all good. We didn't expect you to eat the grab.
Yeah, that's a very difficult one.
Hmm.
Yeah, you were really trying to do it.
I'm probably
Last
better
one?
on Arista on this
Are we
point.
good with that?
Yes.
Yeah, Ryan's eye is good.
Ryan's Aya.
Did you want me on hip scan? to start off because they're
gonna
both
run it.
pharmacy. Seems. Oh yeah, they're swapping.
Welcome to Blizzard World. Prepare your defenses. Select your hero.
If they're running pharmacy again, I can go Hunter maybe, and because snipers are better against pharmacy than hit scan is. But and then maybe you can swap off MPs and do whatever you want.
Arista's better than Ryan against pharmacy. I just felt dead in the water that entire time.
Yeah, but Orisa's only really good if you can set up a payload and move with the payload.
If you want to go Hanzo, then I'll go Junkrat too.
We'll just see what they're running
two
first.
tanks,
I'm
yeah.
So long as
We
we can
didn't hit
pressure that
second point,
pharmacy because
but
they were
we
pretty
did
much. I never
get
saw them
first
die
one at least. So.
unless like everyone died.
I think I killed Farah once, maybe, or twice. I was lucky, but that was only because I hacked it twice, both those times. She was probably,
Do you want to set up high ground left, high ground rear, or in the corridor?
high ground left I like, but up to you guys. Actually, what have we got?
I
What's
kind
our
of think
comp?
right side.
Is Quirky here?
Quirky's not physically, no.
Science will
Do you want to pause it?
She's
okay.
coming. Hold on, she's coming. She's got water on.
I just kind of was
Right.
trying to figure out where we were setting up, whether I needed to go something that can fly or not. So
High ground left.
Are you dancing, Bliss?
Strafing.
Hanzo,
The cool kids dance.
Hanzo Ryan. Hanzo Ryan Kenji.
Healing,
I'm here.
healing. Thank you.
They got an Ana.
oh, that was me.
Shield
Very good at
500,
catching
shield
this.
300.
We're jumping down.
We should back out. We should back out. Not into them. Not into them.
I'm hacked.
Someone's low.
Right left.
No recall, no recall.
Sorry, we had to heal first.
Yeah, thank you. He was.
He was slept, and then I tickled him.
I need healing. Yeah, thank you. I'm getting caught out here. Flashbang's up again.
Oh, what's a recall?
We're down healers, aren't we?
Yep. we're
Yeah,
down.
I am both.
Yeah.
Yeah, just come back.
Lost. When faced with a setback, we must
They're only
challenge
Farah now,
our
you know.
assumptions.
I could run far. Yeah. Stay.
Oh yeah, Farah. I think Hanzo's and
Oh, watch that.
Tuxie's hacked.
He.
Sombra on the top. She's hit once.
This will
She's
heal
away.
you.
Thank you.
You know where the Sombra is?
She's
I
up
think
top
it's
somewhere.
Power of destruction.
Trying to zone her off the top.
Shield going down.
Yeah, I'm hacked.
Yeah.
I'm hacked. She's up the top.
Yeah.
Someone's hacked. Someone's hacked.
Oh, I tried to get you. Oh. Uh-oh. He's down. He's down. Oh no. I'm also hacked. There's that wagon.
We're good for one more. Jeez.
Sombra has
There,
EMP.
got it there.
The payload has reached the checkpoint.
Okay.
There was a flaw.
Back out,
Yeah,
back
we're
out.
split spawn. We're split spawn.
Yeah.
I'm backing out.
I'm joining the Sombra right now. Uh-oh. She accidentally health packs live off.
All the way back. Alright, we're all here
They're
now.
chasing me
Let's
out
go.
back in the...
Yeah, except Bliss isn't here because he's.
I'm already MP. I'm already MP.
Yeah,
If you guys.
Alright, cool.
Shield 1,000.
He was on the left side.
Put that with my face.
Fuck. That's my bad.
Shield 600.
Mine's...
Shield going down.
Oh shit, that's us.
Oh wow.
That's a combo.
One more contest, I think.
Yep. Let's grab.
I'm ready. I'm ready.
Get out if you can. I got shatter.
I can
Someone's
keep
gonna
that.
touch, though. Someone's gonna touch.
Yeah, someone's got to touch.
I
Oh,
can't touch. I can't touch.
Two there.
Wow, we got robbed. That's unlucky.
Feels bad when we have so many ults.
Score 0-3.
It looks like we're even.
Tiebreaker.
Yeah.
Ilios as well. I like Ilios.